When homeowners search for patio door installation High Springs FL, they often want a fast, clean upgrade that improves light, access, and curb appeal. New patio door installation can transform a living room, sunroom, or back entry with sliding patio doors, French patio doors, or custom patio doors in High Springs, Florida. Professional patio door contractors can recommend the right style, whether the goal is energy-efficient patio doors, High Springs FL, weatherproof patio doors High Springs FL, or impact-resistant patio doors High Springs, Florida for better protection and long-term value. Patio door repair. High Springs FL is often the smartest first step when a door still has good structure but struggles with sticking, drafts, or broken components. Glass patio door repair. High Springs FL services can address cracked panes, fogged double-pane patio doors, High Springs, Florida, and damaged seals without requiring a full replacement. In many cases, patio door frame repair, patio door track repair, High Springs, Florida, patio door screen repair High Springs FL, and patio door hardware repair High Springs FL restore smooth operation quickly and affordably. Sliding patio door installers. High Springs are often called for doors that no longer glide properly or have worn rollers, bent tracks, or damaged locking systems. Patio door track repair, patio door handle repair, High Springs, Florida, and patio door lock replacement High Springs can make a major difference in daily usability and security. For homes near High Springs, FL patio doors are used often for backyard access, so affordable patio door service with same-day patio door repair. High Springs is a practical solution when a door becomes difficult to open, close, or secure. French patio doors. High Springs FL remain a popular option for homeowners who want a more traditional look with wide, elegant access to patios, lanais, and decks. These residential patio doors work well for homes seeking a brighter interior and a more upscale exterior profile. With custom patio doors, licensed patio door contractors, High Springs, Florida can match dimensions, finishes, and hardware to the home, while also offering patio door hardware upgrades, patio door seal replacement, High Springs, Florida, and weatherproof patio doors, High Springs FL for better performance through humidity and seasonal rain. Patio door replacement, High Springs, Florida, becomes necessary when older systems are warped, inefficient, or repeatedly damaged beyond repair. A full patio door replacement can improve insulation, reduce outside noise, and create a better seal against Florida heat and moisture. Energy-efficient patio doors, High Springs FL, double-pane patio doors, High Springs, Florida, and vinyl patio door installation. High Springs FL options are especially valuable for homeowners who want lower energy loss and easier maintenance. Aluminum patio door replacement. High Springs is another strong choice for those wanting a durable frame with a sleek appearance. Patio door inspection is an important service for identifying hidden issues before they turn into major repairs. High Springs FL patio door experts can evaluate alignment, rollers, locks, handles, glass integrity, weather stripping, and frame condition to determine whether patio door repair, patio door replacement, or targeted patio door frame repair is best. A detailed inspection often reveals the need for patio door seal replacement, patio door lock replacement, or patio door handle repair. High Springs, Florida, especially in older homes where daily wear has taken its toll. Vinyl patio doors and aluminum patio doors both offer strong benefits for homes in High Springs, Florida, depending on the desired look and maintenance level. Vinyl patio doors are known for their efficiency and low upkeep, while aluminum patio doors are valued for strength and clean lines. Professional patio door contractors can help compare these materials during a patio door installation High Springs FL project, making sure the selected residential patio doors fit the home's layout, weather exposure, and style goals. Impact-resistant patio doors. High Springs, Florida are a smart investment for homeowners who want added protection during severe weather. Combined with weatherproof patio doors, High Springs FL, these doors help defend against wind, rain, and debris while preserving interior comfort. For homes that need extra resilience, energy-efficient patio doors, double-pane patio doors, and reinforced patio door hardware can be installed as part of a new patio door installation or patio door replacement High Springs, Florida project. This is especially important for families seeking long-lasting peace of mind in High Springs, Florida. Affordable patio doors. High Springs FL does not mean cutting corners. It means choosing a team that can provide quality materials, careful installation, and reliable support at a fair price. Whether the project involves sliding patio doors, French patio doors, or custom patio doors in High Springs, Florida, the right professionals focus on fit, function, and durability. Homeowners searching for near High Springs FL patio doors. Services often want value, and that starts with licensed patio door contractors. High Springs, Florida, who understand local conditions and can deliver dependable results. Patio door screen repair. High Springs FL is a simple but important service for homeowners who want fresh air without pests or debris. Torn or loose screens reduce comfort and can make outdoor access less pleasant, especially in warm Florida weather. Along with patio door track repair, patio door hardware repair, High Springs FL, and patio door seal replacement, High Springs, Florida, screen repair helps keep residential patio doors operating smoothly. For many households, these smaller repairs extend the life of sliding patio doors and delay the need for full patio door replacement. Glass patio door services are essential when visibility, safety, and insulation matter most. From patio door repair, High Springs FL, to full patio door replacement. High Springs, Florida, glass issues such as condensation, cracks, chips, or fogging can affect both appearance and performance. Double-pane patio doors. High Springs, Florida provide better insulation, while energy-efficient patio doors High Springs FL can help reduce indoor temperature swings. With support from professional patio door contractors, homeowners in High Springs, Florida can choose the best path for repair, upgrade, or new patio door installation.